Let's learn about fractions with examples. First, let's understand the concept with an example. This pizza has a hole. Let's divide the pizza into equal parts. Divide this pizza into 6 equal parts. Let's take one pizza slice out of the hole. One out of these 6 parts can be expressed as this number is read as 1/6. Now let's take 2 pizza slices out of the hole. 2 out of these 6 parts can be expressed as this number is read as 2/6. Such type of numbers are called fractions. Now tell me, what is a fraction? Yes, fraction express an equal part of a whole or collection. Fraction of a whole means when we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of a whole. Fraction notation. A fraction has 2 parts. Number above the line is called numerator. Number below the line is called denominator. Denominator tells us total number of parts in a whole. In this pizza, the total number of parts are 6 in a whole. Numerator tells us how many parts are taken from the whole. In this pizza, 2 parts are taken from the whole. So, 2 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Note that denominator cannot be 0 because we cannot make 0 parts of a whole. For example, there are total of 5 children. 3 out of 5 are girls. So, the fraction of girls is 3/5. 2 out of 5 are boys. So, the fraction of boys is 2/5. Thank you for watching.